Looking to boost your income without quitting your day job? The Noise app lets you earn extra cash through simple side hustles that fit around your schedule. Whether you're saving for a holiday or building an emergency fund, every pound counts. From completing quick surveys to testing new features, the Noise app offers flexible tasks you can do on your commute or during lunch breaks. It's a brilliant way to make your spare time work harder for you, all from the palm of your hand. Track your earnings in real time and watch your money goals come closer with every task you complete. The Noise app makes side hustling effortless, so you can focus on what matters most, achieving financial freedom on your own terms. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.